Hi guys, so this video today is really off topic for my channel. It has nothing to do with food issues, but it's been an issue for me. I have back pain, back problems, and doing my hair, even if I was to straighten it, I mean, it is more of an issue because I'm doing the curly hair, but even if I was to straighten my hair, it would still be an issue. So learning how to manage my back pain and redo things, including my hair, has really helped. I wanted to share this because I'm sure there's other people out there who are struggling too. And you know, I kept thinking I'm gonna have to cut my hair short. I don't look good with short hair. Some women can rock short hair, and I really wish I was one of those women, but I'm not. So I was like, I have to find ways to still be able to do my hair with my back issues. And it made me think there has to be other people out there struggling with the same thing. And so I wanted to video this and just put it out there and hopefully help people, because that's what my channel is all about. I just want to help people. So if this does help you, please leave a comment. Please let me know. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you do have food issues and my other content helps you, then please follow and subscribe. So that towel absorbed most of the moisture in my hair. I am now going to apply flaxseed gel. At times I use a leave-in conditioner, but then there are times where that's just not enough moisture, and flaxseed gel really gives me the moisture that I need. It is homemade, and I have made a video about it previously. I can link that video in the description box in case you're interested. I just try to get it all incorporated in and absorbed well. Next, I use my favorite Aussie Instant Freeze Gel. This I use for hold, where the flaxseed gel is for moisture. This is for hold, and it's really just amazing at holding my waves. I take all those loose hairs off of my hand and keep them on the side there so they don't go down the drain. And then at the end, I just toss them all at once in the trash, in case you see me picking them off my hands. I sort of developed a method to keep track of how much gel, because in the early days I would put too much or too little, and I kept thinking there has to be a way. So I came up with a formula, and when my hair was longer, I would do on each side, I'd go front to back, back to front, front to back, back to front. Then I would hang it all forward and go right to left and then left to right. Now that it's shorter, I have cut out one step. When I go to the side, I do front to back, back to front, front to back, go to the other side and do front to back, back to front, front to back. Then I hang it all forward and I do a right to left and a left to right. I hope that makes sense. And I do mix water into my palm with the gel and thin it out. Otherwise it's really thick and clumpy and hard to get it evenly distributed through the hair. There would be some spots that didn't get any, and then some spots that would have big clumps. So it just makes it easier. It also adds more hydration into my hair. And then I comb it through just to finish distributing it really evenly through the hair. I'm very lucky that my hair doesn't tangle much. It's very rare that I get tangles. But I do use combs to distribute conditioner and product. Now I'm going to scrunch my hair. And then I go to the side just to get the upper part. Sometimes the upper part doesn't get scrunched good when I'm just doing it from hanging the hair forward. more loose hairs. Now I rinse off my hands, rinse off my comb, and I'm gonna get ready to go diffuse my hair. So this is the position that really helps. It takes the pressure off my lower back. Sometimes I'm propped up on my elbows and sometimes I lay flat. I just go back and forth between those two. I am not supposed to twist my torso at all, so when I do turn to the side, I log roll. I don't just twist my upper back. So this is like 95% dried. I will let it cool down and finish drying. What I do is now I'm gonna head to the kitchen and I'm gonna have my protein shake for breakfast, and I make either a coffee or a tea, a latte. I do a decaf latte or a matcha latte. I kind of switch back and forth each day. So I will go do that, and I will have my prayer time and Bible time, and then I'll come back and it will be cooled off and it will be completely dry. I will scrunch out the crunch and fluff. I will apply minoxidil to my scalp, and then I'll style it however I'm going to style it, and I'll be done for the day. And I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, so it's twice a week. I wish I could go longer. I wish I could go even just 1 week, but I deal with hair loss. I deal with a lot of stuff. So scalp health is a huge priority for me for that reason. So yeah, I could stretch it longer, but then my scalp starts having issues. And so I don't want to push that and lose any more hair, because I don't know if the minoxidil is even working at this point, if you've been following that series of my videos too. So I'm gonna go have my protein shake and my coffee today. It's going to be a coffee latte, decaf, and have my Bible time and prayer time, and then I will come back and finish off my hair. Okay, so I drank my shake and I did electrolytes this morning too, because I was in the sauna before I washed my hair. So a lot of days I do take electrolytes, but definitely on sauna days. So I did that, still enjoying my coffee. My hair has cooled off. I don't get a super hard cast when I use the flaxseed gel. When I don't use flaxseed gel and I do like just a leave-in conditioner instead of that, I will get a harder cast on my hair, but I do still scrunch this out. So I'm gonna fluff my roots, scrunch out the crunch. So give me a second. Now I could leave it like this. It's actually, as it's getting longer, it's looking better. I was just super short, and I'm gonna let that grow out a little bit, but it's not bad. But just to keep it out of my face, I am gonna go ahead and clip the two sides, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so I'm actually going to apply minoxidil. I'll go ahead and show you how I do that, and then I will clip my hair and be done. I apply the minoxidil to my eyebrows like right after I get out of the shower, so it can have time to dry before I put powder on my face and gel on my eyebrows and that sort of thing. But this is what I do. I tip it to one side so that it doesn't run forward, and you go all the way to the roots and just squeeze the tip a little bit on the dropper to release a little bit. And then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. And then I like to put it into the crown. And then I have these two little receding spots. that I like to also do and then I do like to blot those with a Kleenex so it doesn't run onto my face. Sometimes it will. And then part it. And there we have it. That's good. I'm good with that. There's my hair for the day. Have a great day, guys. God bless you.